It has been a true honor and privilege to serve in this role for the last 2.5 years, that the last 2.5 weeks have seemed the strangest to me. The men and women of the Cook County State's Attorney that you as the taxpayer would expect. The last 2.5 weeks and the attacks on the credibility of me and my office. Again, I recused myself from the Smollett case out of an abundance of caution. But what most people haven't talked about is I did that under the advisement of our first ever chief ethics officer. We never had an ethics officer in Cook County. What I wanted to make sure when I started my term was that any decision that I made, even the appearance of impropriety, would be vetted by someone other than myself. What hasn't been talked about was that chief ethics officer. But I will also say that our office over the course of the last 2.5 years has used diversion or deferred prosecution with great frequency. When people say to me that this appears that you are doing something for someone who is of privilege, I say to you, look at the 5,900 other people who have not had that same privilege. I cannot run an office. I cannot run an office that is driven by anger and public sentiment. I must run an office that looks at it's personal. I stand with our partners in law enforcement every day. I have never, will never, speak ill of our partners in this work. I cannot work on crime without working with our men and women in law enforcement, in the Chicago Police Department and our suburban partners. I believe in their ability to do good work. I support them, always have. And even though there are challenges between any relationship, you have never seen the Cook County State's Attorney stand in any podium, stand in any room, and disrespect or disregard any of those partners. And I think the biggest disappointment for me has been watching that happen this way. There's a level of professionalism